Greetings and salutations, my fellow dudes and dudettes. I'm Andy from the Andy Woozy YouTube channel, and today we're playing Voices from the Sea. Um, Last time we left off, I have no idea what we were doing. And if you're, I don't know why you would be in the notification squad, but if you are, then I'm not gonna have 1,000 lies for today. I'll record that tomorrow. I didn't have much time today. Let's get rid of that. So load. We're on day 2. A day has passed since I met her. At that time, I didn't know what she would bring to my life. I thought it was just another one of those mundane days. Mother. Tom, Cantish, look at what I've made for you today. It's your favorite chicken pot pie. You shouldn't eat it while it's still warm. How is it? Is it good? You know, the other day I met. She's She's bragging about how awesome her son is. He's so good at academic sports. Noise. Huh? I'm leaving. Wait, I'm not done talking. At least finish your food. He's so rebellious nowadays. Adelins. Huh. I've seen that. I've been there before. If you don't know what's going on, watch the last video and whatever. I don't know what is going on, so. And also, I need to go over something. Yes, I know on previous gameplay videos, there's the Fillmore thing. Yeah, that's what I'm using to record. I think that's gonna. If it's on this video too, then you know I haven't fixed it. I don't know how to fix it. I'll figure it out. Way to ruin the day right from the get-go. I don't really need to hear how other kids are doing better than me, Mom. I guess this is the only place where I don't have to deal with noise. Candace! Just before I can relax, a voice interrupts me. That voice, followed by it, is the sound of footsteps running across the sands. It doesn't take long before that familiar figure stands right in front of me. I've been waiting for you. Crap. I have totally forgotten about her. Are you ready for round 2? Round 2? What are you talking about? Oh, you're so forgetful, Cantus. To think you're just 13. So, what is it? We promised yesterday, didn't we? Mars is going to make you smile in 7 days. Oh, that. Come on, who should be more excited? Maris is so excited that she could sleep all night. All night? Don't you have to go to school? That's not important. What's important here is how to make you smile. Right. Maris is really confident this time. Alright, here goes nothing. Once upon a time, there was a troubled man. On the way home, he stumbled upon a bookstore. There, he discovered a book that is said to be able to solve 50% of your problems. The troubled man decided to buy 2 of them. Do you know why? Because he wants to solve 100% of his problems. It's funny, isn't it? What? Was that supposed to be funny? I thought funny stories would make people happy. It might work if it was actually funny. Ooh, that's fine. Max still has another one. I think this one is funnier. Once upon a time, there was a loving couple. On the way home, they stumbled upon a cake shop. Unable to make up their mind, the girl decided to choose two cakes instead of one. Her boyfriend told her that she cannot pick two. What do you think she did? She decided to pick three instead. It's funny, isn't it? And then there was silence. Okay, maybe not. Maris failed again. Huh? No, wait, she looks like she's about to cry. What should I do? Not look for seashells. She's not interested in that at all. Tell a funny story. Fine. Let me tell you a funny story. Huh? Does Candace know how to tell funny stories? Of course. But Candace doesn't look like the type who knows how to do it. It's not rocket science. Anyone can do it. Here goes nothing. Once upon a time, there was a creature who wanted to have fun. It decided to give 3 movie tickets to its wife. The confused wife asked, "Why 3?" They replied, "It's for you and your parents." That's what you call a funny story. A long silence returns once more. Except this time, it's twice as awkward. Maybe Maris has no sense of humor. Huh? No, she looks even more depressed than before. This won't do. I should try something else. Should I tell another? Look for seashell. That's right. She liked the seashell I gave her yesterday. Maybe that'll cheer her up. All right, here goes nothing. There's one right there. Seashell found. You found an X shell. Do you want to keep this? Sure. Alright, there should do. Hey, look what I found. Oh! I know you like the seashell I gave you yesterday. Here, you can have this. Or, you're giving this to Maris? Don't make me say it twice. But what kind of seashell is it? Is this? It's shaped like the letter X, and X usually means the unknown. That's it. It's a mysterious shell. You're just making that up, aren't you? How about you, Candace? Do you know what it is? It's shaped like the letter X, and it's a seashell. That's it. It's an X shell. So Candace doesn't know what it is either. Does it matter? It's fine as long as you like it. You like it, don't you? Maris likes mysterious stuff. It reminds me of that supernatural mystery novel I read the other day. As usual, her train of thought has totally lost me. Well, at least that cheers her up. I hope. I can't really tell when it comes to this girl. But I don't get it. Why did Candace give this to Maris all of a sudden? It's nothing special. I thought you looked down, so... Oh! You're trying to cheer me up! Thank you, Candace. You're so sweet. Ugh. I don't even know what I did. Why I did it. You're so cheerful, obnoxiously so, but for some reason I found it harder to see you're upset. Wait a minute. Something is wrong here. What's wrong? I should be the one to cheer you up, not the other way around. Don't cheer me up anymore, okay? Sorry, but you're not making any sense here. It's not like I'm depressed or anything. Besides, why are you doing this in the first place? What's the point in making me smile? Barris wants to see you smile. I'm sure Cantus has a pretty smile. It's just a smile. I don't see why you have to be so persistent. There are many smiling people out there. You don't have to see mine. No, it has to be Cantus. If you're not smiling, wouldn't that mean you're not happy? Eris wants to see you happy. I'm not happy. It's true that I don't remember when the last time I smiled, but am I that unhappy with my life? I've never really given that a thought. Just do whatever you want. You said that yesterday. Just so you know, I won't smile without a reason. Only idiots smile for no reason. You said that yesterday, too. You might just be wasting your time. You'd never know until you try. It doesn't seem like I can change your mind. Yep. You're weird. You know that? You said that yesterday, too. It's the conversation that goes nowhere. It was probably meaningless, too. Yet, it was strangely relaxing. As relaxing as sitting on the beach all day, listening to the fleeting waves. That day was just another one of those mundane days. Yet, I can't say I hate it. Day 3. Let me just check the time. In this shoot designed to educate people. Wait, what does that say? No. The school. An institution designed to educate people. A place where people learn new skills and hope one day they can be useful in society. At least that's how it's supposed to be. But for me, it's an unescapable heck. Like, really? Which moron thought forcing people to learn is a good idea? Learning is fundamentally useless if one doesn't desire it. Kansas, what are you doing here talking to yourself? It's you. Yup, it's me, Dario, your #1 source in school. Right. Hmm? What do we have here? The school's #1 antisocial boy is finally responding to me like a normal person. This is breaking news. What are you talking about? Stop making noises. You're worse than a fly. That's your usual response. Now you're really sounding like a fly. Uh, I knew it. There's something different about you today. You don't usually say anything more than a sentence, let alone hold a conversation. Did something good happen? Ugh, the first thing that comes to mind. Or I don't know if you can call that something good. What is it? What is it? I met someone by the beach. Wow, really? This is truly some breaking news. There's someone who can interest you. You can see the excitement in his eyes. Come on, tell me more. What's the name of this unfortunate person? What do you mean by unfortunate? Is it a girl? Is it a girl? If so, what's her name? What's she look like? He dodges my remark and presses on, buzzing non-stop in my ears. You gotta admit that he's definitely living up to his name. An annoying fly, that is. Maris. I think she's around our age. I reply despite my initial hesitation. Maris. I don't know anyone by that name. I don't either. Oh, don't compare me with an antisocial boy like you. I'm number one source in school, remember? I know pretty much every kid in this island. Right. Oh, don't you go rolling your eyes at me. You don't know how awesome my networking is. Okay, that's enough. I'm leaving. Wait, I'm not done talking. Yes, a hell indeed. School, the noisiest place ever. Just get me out of here. Curtis! You look happy. Of course. I get to meet Curtis again. I don't think I'll ever get used to this. Are you ready for round 3? This again? Come on, it's just the 3rd day. There's more to come. You better be prepared. I can feel sweat accumulating in the back of my shirt. What's going to be this time? What's it going to be this time? Rest assured, Maris shall put everything to an end today. I'm sure I'll make you smile this time. Sometimes you can't help but wonder, where does she get all her confidence from? Here I come! It's time for Magical Maris. Take my special track, Ocean Therapy Evolution. Huh? Ocean what? Ocean Therapy Evolution. Cool name, huh? Right. Strange. Why isn't it working? What's not working? I'm trying to use my magical powers to cheer you up. Magical powers? Actually, Maris has a huge secret. Maris is a magical girl. Don't tell anyone, okay? Ugh. So, how is it? Did you feel Maris's magical powers? Yes, in all sorts of ways. I'm so speechless, I don't know how to react. Boo. I thought it was gonna work this time. This doesn't even look surprised at all. No, I'm plenty surprised here. Really? Are you surprised that Maris is a magical girl? It would look far more convincing if you had a better costume. Huh? Isn't this how magical girls look? No, it looks nothing like it. No way! I thought all you need to do is get a disguise so people can't recognize you and then shout random nonsensical words. Isn't that how it's supposed to be? It's not entirely wrong if you put it that way. Which is it? Am I right or am I wrong? Like, seriously? Is she really that clueless? Look for Shiso. Hey, let's do something else. Cat just wants to be a magical girl, too. Where the heck did you get that from? Enough of that. Let's look for she-cells. Her face lightens up. Okay. Not that one. Not that one. Girl climb. Yeah. Okay. You want to keep this? Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Alright, this should do. Hey, look what I found. Oh, you're so fast. Where'd you find it? What did you find? I mean, some kind of clam, I guess. It's so pretty. You can you can use it for your magical girl costume. That's a great idea. All right, here goes nothing. What do you think? Does Maris look more like a magical girl now? Can someone please tell me how to answer that? So, how long are you gonna wear that disguise? What are you talking about? They're super awesome. Yes, they are super silly. I cannot take you seriously. Oh, there's no way I'll ever get used to this. Is she always like this in front of others? Come to think of it, I know nothing about her. Like, what is she doing here all alone at the beach? Why would she insist on befriending me? And that unusual speech pattern of hers. Does anyone talk like her nowadays? The more I think about it, the less sense it makes. There are just too many things that I don't understand. Hey. Yes? It's nothing. What's wrong? Do you want to ask Maris something? She gazes at me as if she understood what's on my mind. Are you sure you're okay with hanging out with me? Of course! Maris is Cantus's first friend. She knew. I knew she would say that. Oh, by the way, Cantus is Cantus isn't Maris's first friend. Cantus is the second one. Seriously? Mm-hmm. You may be weird, but I thought someone like you would have would have dozens of friends. Maris doesn't need that many. This Cantus alone will do. Wait a second. What about your first friend? Oh, we never met again. What? Why? Don't tell me. Don't worry. It's nothing like that. I'm sure she's doing fine, even if we can't meet again. Speaking of which, she's a lot like Cantus, the super serious type. I wonder if you guys are related, like siblings or something. I don't have siblings. And I doubt my relatives look anything like me either. That's odd. I thought for sure you two were related. You guys are so similar. Oh, there's one big difference though. She doesn't she doesn't know what magical girls are. Leave me alone. The more I talk to her, the more it hits me. I really know nothing about her. But there's one thing I'm sure of. There isn't anyone quite like her. Not that I know many people to begin with. Even then, I'm sure I'll never find any someone like her again. No, rain is not well, rain can be depressing, but I mean, yeah. So that'll be it for today. I'm gonna analyze a little bit on this because I do that. I wish I did that more often. Analyze things after I complete a section. I think this girl is quite literally from the ocean. Like, probably, maybe not literally from the ocean, but I mean, sort like a personification, maybe, or something like a spirit. Um, and earlier in this, I actually thought, yeah, she's alone. I didn't think what Cantos thought. I didn't think what Kansas saw. I think, yeah. Uh, and I, I strongly relate to this actually, because it's sort of like, is a lot like, um, it's a lot like, uh, me. Like, I relate a lot to this. Because Kansas is me when I'm serious, when when I'm sad. Not very sad because I don't really get sad. And some people are gonna be like, "Oh, everyone gets sad." Not me. That's the thing about it. I don't get sad, and if I'm sad, I don't show it because I. Why should I ruin someone else's day? You know? Why should I ruin someone else's day with my emotions? So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on it. So yeah, and then forgot her name. Oh my god, I forgot her name. The girl. See, that's the thing about ADHD. I don't know. I forget names that quick. I remember Cantus and forgot. Um, but yeah, this seems really cool. Um, and also I don't have a lot of friends. Not a lot. Well, I guess you could say friends, yeah, but I don't have many people that I tell everything to. Um, I wish I did that more often, but I just don't. So, all right, that's it for today. Um, number one rule, don't panic. Second rule, stay happy. I'll see all you do's and dudettes in the next one. I've been Andy from the Andy Woozy YouTube channel, and I'll see you later.